Understanding the phrase, no dice. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have come across or will hear in the future, no dice. Let's unravel its meaning, origin, and how to use it. Before we discuss the phrase, let's break down its components. Dice. Small cubes with each side having from 1 to 6 dots, used in gambling games or board games. However, when used together as no dice, the meaning is quite different from the literal sense. The phrase, no dice, is an informal way to say that something is not possible or won't happen. It's equivalent to other English expressions like no go, not happening, or simply, no. For instance, did you manage to get those concert tickets? No dice, they were sold out. Here, no dice indicates the person wasn't successful in getting the tickets. Though the exact origin is debated, no dice is believed to have emerged from the gambling world of the early 20th century. In some dice games, if the dice didn't land flat or fell off the table, the throw was considered invalid. Players would declare, no dice, meaning the roll didn't count. Over time, this term evolved to signify rejection or denial in various situations outside gambling. Let's see how this phrase can fit into our daily conversations. 1. I tried fixing the computer myself, but no dice. We need a professional. 2. I asked her if she'd lend me the book, but it was no dice. 3. They attempted to negotiate a better deal, but no dice. Remember, it's a casual expression, so it might not be suitable for very formal contexts. We hope this video helped clarify the intriguing phrase, no dice, for you. English is filled with such fascinating idioms and expressions, and understanding them can enrich your language experience. Keep exploring, and until next time, happy learning!